Welcome back to MYK Reviews. In an era of touchscreens, turbochargers, and over-the-air updates, one thing never goes out of style: reliability.
Yes, definitely!
Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just trying to avoid a surprise mechanic bill, these 9 SUVs are the gold standard according to Consumer Reports 2025.
Prove it, bitch!
They scored high in long-term dependability, owner satisfaction, and low repair frequency. In short, they're the ones you buy and then never have to think about again until it's time to replace them with the same model. Here are 9 SUVs so reliable, they basically come with peace of mind in the glove box. 9. 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Hyundai has come a long way from its bargain bin beginnings, and the 2025 Tucson Hybrid is Exhibit A. Not only does it offer impressive fuel economy up to 38 miles per gallon combined, but it also earns top-tier reliability marks from Consumer Reports, thanks to a well-executed hybrid system and Hyundai's expanding reputation for durability.
I completely agree.
The Tucson Hybrid blends a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, offering brisk acceleration and standard all-wheel drive, something not all hybrids in this class can claim. The ride is quiet, the cabin is stylish, and Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty adds an extra layer of confidence.
Yes!
What seals the deal is its low cost of ownership. It doesn't just avoid major problems, it avoids small ones too. If you want a high-tech, low-drama SUV that sips fuel and won't ghost you after year 5, the Tucson Hybrid is a smart, dependable pick. 8. 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Yes, it still exists. Yes, it's basically the same rugged tank it's been for over a decade. And yes, it's still one of the most reliable SUVs you can buy in 2025. The Toyota 4Runner is an old-school, body-on-frame, go-anywhere beast that seems to outlive most of its owners' leases and their interest in trading up. Powered by a 4.0-liter V6 and a 5-speed automatic, the 4Runner is practically an endangered species in a world of hybrids and dual-clutch gearboxes. But that's exactly why it's so reliable. Fewer parts to fail, more time on the road. Whether you're towing, off-roading, or just want something that scoffs at the idea of mechanical failure, this one delivers. Inside, it's no frills but extremely functional. The materials are tough, the controls are physical, hallelujah, and it still comes with features like a roll-down rear window and optional third-row seating. The 4Runner is proof that sometimes old school is the smart school. Yeti, iki binirmi beş Honda Passport. If Goldilocks were shopping for an SUV, she'd pick the Honda Passport. It's not too big, not too small, and according to Consumer Reports, just right when it comes to long-term reliability. Slotting between the CRV and Pilot, the 2025 Passport keeps its reputation for being rugged, comfortable, and ridiculously low maintenance. Power comes from Honda's tried-and-true 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. No turbochargers, no hybrid complexity, just good old-fashioned power with proven reliability. The Passport is also one of the more off-road capable unibody SUVs, especially in its trail sport trim, which adds skid plates and all-terrain tires. Inside, it's spacious and well-built with wide seats, a simple infotainment layout, and plenty of cargo room. It won't wow you with flash, but after 5 years of trouble-free ownership, you'll be glad it chose to impress with durability instead. 6. 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Toyota's RAV4 Hybrid is a returning champ, and for good reason. It's the kind of SUV that quietly racks up 200,000 miles while asking for little more than routine oil changes and a fresh set of tires. Consumer Reports gives it one of the highest reliability scores in its segment, thanks to Toyota's refined hybrid tech and simple, proven engineering. Under the hood, the RAV4 Hybrid offers a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors, returning up to 41 miles per gallon in the city. All-wheel drive is standard, which makes it perfect for buyers in snow-prone states or anyone who wants extra grip without sacrificing efficiency. The power delivery is smooth, and the transitions between electric and gas are nearly imperceptible. Inside, it's functional and comfortable. You won't find flashy materials or wild styling, but you will find a layout that just works, from the intuitive infotainment system to the cavernous cargo area. If you want a reliable daily driver that sips fuel and shrugs off abuse, this is it. Lexus hasn't just built a reputation for reliability, it owns it, and the 2025 RX 350h Hybrid continues that legacy with silent confidence. Sharing a platform with the Toyota Highlander, the RX gets Lexus-level refinement and near-luxury comfort without sacrificing the bulletproof reliability Lexus is known for. Power comes from a 2.5-liter hybrid system that offers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy around 36 miles per gallon, combined especially for a mid-size luxury SUV. The interior is plush with high-quality materials, a new 14-inch touchscreen, and standard features like wireless Apple CarPlay and a panoramic glass roof on higher trims. Yet under the surface, it's still all about stress-free ownership. This is the kind of SUV that buyers keep for 10 years and then hand down to their kids. Maintenance is straightforward, problems are rare, and the ride is smooth enough to make long trips feel like a spa day on wheels. Čtvrtý 2025 Mazda CX5. The CX5 continues to fly under the radar in the SUV world, but savvy shoppers know it's a hidden gem, and it has the reliability scores to prove it. Consumer Reports gives it top marks for overall satisfaction and mechanical dependability. It's the rare SUV that feels just as dialed in on twisty roads as it does on your daily commute. With a starting price just under $30,000, the CX5 punches well above its weight. It comes with a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine or a turbocharged version for more spirited drivers. The interior feels upscale, with tight build quality, real stitching, and an elegant dashboard layout. Mazda's infotainment takes some getting used to, but it's fast and distraction-free once you adapt. Maintenance needs are minimal, and owners report very few unexpected issues over time. Add in excellent safety ratings and standard AWD on most trims, and you've got a compact SUV that delivers a driving experience usually reserved for German brands, without the German repair bills. 3. 2025 Honda CRV Hybrid. The CRV Hybrid is a masterclass in doing everything right and doing it reliably. Honda's hybrid system is now one of the best in the business, offering up to 40 miles per gallon city while keeping things mechanically simple. Combine that with legendary Honda build quality, and it's no wonder this SUV remains a Consumer Reports darling. The 2025 CRV Hybrid brings a more refined cabin with an uncluttered layout and impressive rear seat space. It's comfortable, efficient, and built with the kind of attention to detail that reminds you why Honda has such a loyal following. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there's a physical volume knob, which, let's be honest, is a reliability feature in its own right. On the road, it's smooth, quiet, and composed. It may not be flashy, but it doesn't have to be. The CRV Hybrid is like that friend who always shows up on time, never complains, and somehow looks better with age. 2. 2025 Subaru Forester. Subaru's Forester is like your favorite flannel shirt. Rugged, dependable, and always ready for the weekend. It doesn't try to be fancy, but that's exactly why it earns such high praise from Consumer Reports year after year. The 2025 model builds on a legacy of reliability with updated styling and slightly better fuel economy, but the core formula remains the same. Standard all-wheel drive, a spacious cabin, and tall windows make the Forester feel like a safe, smart choice. Because it is. Its 2.5-liter flat-4 engine isn't exciting, but it's proven, and Subaru has refined the CVT to be less whiny and more responsive than in years past. The ride is smooth, and the suspension handles rough roads like a champ. What really sets the Forester apart is how little owners complain about it. It's practical, predictable, and rarely visits the mechanic outside of scheduled maintenance. If you want a vehicle that works hard and plays nice, the Forester is always game. 1. 2025 Toyota Highlander. If the RAV4 Hybrid is the reliable compact king, then the Highlander is its 3-row big brother and just as trustworthy. The 2025 model offers a no-nonsense approach to family hauling, with Toyota's latest hybrid powertrain and rock-solid underpinnings. It's not flashy, but it's durable, efficient, and built to last. Buyers can choose between a V6 for towing and power or a hybrid that returns up to 36 miles per gallon combined. Either way, you're getting an SUV that was built with longevity in mind. The Highlander's cabin is clean and user-friendly with loads of cubbies, USB ports, and cup holders. Basically a mobile command center for busy families. Consumer Reports highlights its consistently high reliability and long-term ownership satisfaction. Whether it's the school run, the camping trip, or just surviving a Costco run, the Highlander handles it all with quiet confidence, and with very few complaints from the service bay. Don't forget to subscribe to MYK Reviews for more real-world car picks that won't leave you stranded or broke. Because when it comes to buying smart, reliability isn't just a feature, it's the whole point.